G'day there and welcome to the Alternative Commentary Collective's Auto Trader Masterclasses on how best to flick your car. Step 3, the art of selling the dream, the all-important motor CV. How do you make your motor sing through the art of the written word, i.e. selling the dream? Let's look at this 1998 Ford Falcon Ute. Isn't sheer beauty, but how do we translate that visual lust into words? Step 1, you've got to sell the sizzle up front. What's your headline going to read? Throw around some ideas before settling on the best one. Own this Kiwi icon. The only Falcon you need. You're automatically 100% cooler when you own this car. Well, there you go. Who wouldn't want to be 100% cooler? Headline settled. Now it's time to hit them with step 2, the meat. This 1998 icon has done a legendary 278,000 Ks and is still purring like a content tiger with a straight 6 under the bonnet. Well, that's the sizzle and then the meat. Now it's time for step 3, the gravy. If you don't want to at least have a test drive of this car, then you don't have a pulse. In fact, you're not even human. If you know what's good for you and your family, you need to buy this piece of Kiwi history. If you don't, your neighbour will, and you'll have to look at it every day. Sold! On the next episode, how we make your car look like a babe. It's photo shoot time.
Tell New Zealand about your car and you could win a billboard to help sell it, just like this here. You'll be 100% cooler. Check it out.